Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Gibbs Najuku, a beautician based in Abuja. So guys, on today's video I'm going to show you guys how to do your daily makeup, how to transform yourself from this and to this. Yes, you heard me right. Subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell to get notified when I drop a new post.
So firstly, I'm using my wipes and micellar cleansing water to clean up the dirt from my face. Then my sweat block to hold down my sweaty areas. Up next is my 24K gold serum, face serum. Then I had to apply it, and then I moved to my Stay Matte Primer. Then my setting spray all over my face to keep the product sitting well. This is me showing off my pretty beauty blender, so soft in texture. And then that brings us to the sweet parts, foundation. I'm trying to compare the two shades to my face, and this is the application of it. So the fact that the powder blended so well on my skin, it's what gave in. So up next is my nose contouring. I'm contouring with one shade darker than my skin tone for my nose, and I'll do same to my cheekbone. So yeah, after contouring my face, I use my pinky rosy blush to blush my face properly, and then I did my reverse contouring with my setting powder to redefine the face properly. Whoa, why does it feel like I look so red with the blue eyes? But yeah, pretty. I took the brown from my powder palette to do my transition, and I still go back to that powder palette to use a light shade to do my eyeshadow, because I didn't want to wear something too heavy on my eyes. And then I'm doing my eyeliner with my liner gel, and then this is me emphasizing on the liner gel to make it pop out. Then I move to my mascara, then to bring out my down lashes, and then I had to also use that on my up lashes. We move to our brows. You all know I don't like big brows. I just like my brows so little and defined properly. Up next is me taking out the excess powder on my face, and then I had to go over to my lips. I used a nude lipstick on my lip, just a very little, and then I used my Davis pencil, and the shade All Day to outline the lips properly. Blended so well with my hands, and then using my fluffy brush to take out the excess powder from underneath my eyes, and then blushing, bronzing my face, smiling to my mirror. Oh yeah, I filmed this with a natural light and it's given. I feel I look so pretty. Of course, girl, your girl is ready. Setting up the face. My face be giving what it should give. 4 + 4 = 8. So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and then see you on my next video. Bye.